Thanks for staying with us at the Tranquil Trout. In our instruction book, we do talk about the gas fireplace. We do try to leave the pilot lit so that it's easy for you to start the fireplace. It does happen every so often that a guest will accidentally turn the pilot off, and so we've made this video to help you get the fireplace started. First thing you want to do is there is this metal bar right here. You want to move that to the right. That opens up the flue to the fireplace to make sure that we can get air flowing up the fireplace, and so that any of the exhaust will travel up the chimney and not into the room. After you move that knob to the right, second thing we're going to do is we're going to come down to the right-hand corner of the fireplace and we're going to look for this red knob. This red knob should be parallel to the pipe. That means gas is flowing to the fireplace, and we can start now to light the pilot. You're going to need the lighter from the kitchen. It's a long-handled lighter so that you'll be able to easily light the pilot. Next thing you should do is locate this black button. It's over on the right-hand side of the fireplace. Make sure that the pilot button is pointing upwards. You can see it has a little notch on the top, a little arrow kind of shape, pointed upwards, and then you're going to press it all the way in. You're going to need to press this pilot light button in for the duration of lighting the pilot. So press it in and hold it. Don't let it go. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take the lighter and you're going to light it, and you're going to stick it in between the log and the grate. And in the back, you can see I have the pilot already lit for the demonstration. There is a wire that hovers over a little black piece of metal. So you're still holding the pilot light in. You're going to take that lighter, you're going to put it where that little wire is, and the pilot is going to light. Okay? Next thing you want to do is slowly release the pilot button. The pilot will stay on even when you release that button, so not a big deal. And then we can go back to the button. If you want to turn the fireplace on, you're just going to turn that knob counterclockwise, give it about 3 seconds, and the fireplace will come on. The next thing you're going to want to do is you'll want to close these metal grates just to keep anything from flying out of the fireplace and into the room. It's just a good practice to use. You can close the glass or you can leave it open depending on how much or how little heat you want in the room. I usually leave it open with the metal screen closed. And then when you want to turn the fireplace off, you're just going to turn this black knob back to pointing exactly where it is right now, back to pilot. If you accidentally turn it off, it will cut gas to the pilot, and you'll have to go through this process again, or the next person will. So if you remember, please turn it back to pilot, but if not, that's okay too. I hope this video is helpful, and as always, please message us if you have any questions. Thanks.